The program still work out the program Good Morning from Benin. When you wake up in the morning, you see newspaper, the first thing when they say, before you open from the beginning of the paper to the end, you must see matter when they say a consign defilement. Before you go wake up, watch television 2 times, you will see one matter of defilement or the other. If you are ready, you put your ear down, you will see a matter when they say consign defilement. When you go cough these days, defilement, not the matter when they say a full ground. So we would ask ourselves, what if it is defilement? So how person is define that person? We woke up person when we say go talk to us, make it tell us what all this thing be and why the cases going to rise again like this. We get one person when we say yes, go talk to us. Now our friend and sister Jennifer Aero, person when we say they're in charge of child right protection. I call her way.
Child Protection Network, a member of Child Protection Network.
No best. Welcome to our program.
Thank you for having me.
No wahala. We know to speak grammar here, so you go bring and come.
No wahala, I did.
Okay, I say you did.
I did.
Okay. The more look this matter when we say a consign, because what would they hear before now? Rape. But the one they hear now, defilement. What is the difference between defilement and rape?
And you know, say this defilement when you talk to now children.
Okay.
You know, say defilement is strictly for children.
Okay.
And even when we see they say rape and defilement, it comes together. But for the age of those for our children, they call them defilement.
Now, which
children.
age that one will?
And from 0 to 17.
Okay.
No, 0 to 14.
Okay.
Then 14 to that 17 I rape because the teenage. Can be that.
But person when you're old now, when you don't grow, would they hear say they rape them too?
Yes, now.
Would they able to hear some cases?
Those will not be defilement, just straight rape.
Okay. So this defilement, now be the matter when we say they rape, let's say they rain.
For children, they.
That's come they rampant somehow.
It come they rampant. Well, you know, say for so many years, and we don't talk about this matter, even for our station here, for all this while. But you know, say. And we don't fight say all the policies we're supposed to be in place, everything supposed to be in place. But one go see the surprise, say why this thing still they increase. Where we say you go see Papa and 2 sons go defy
one small
9 years. You go see Papa and his son, he go defy another small pikin. You go see 3 months old pikin, they go defy them. You go see 9 months. You go even see 9 months where Papa defy. So what it can they happen where we say our children, they not believe them. The innocence of our children, then they take them from the every day. And you know, say this defilement, wait it even worse past when you go rape adult. Because as that pikin is small, so you know, say the body development never really
never develop like that.
So the damage where they give small pikin different from adult own. So that's why we drive this one where we say, make you not destroy our future for us. Make you not destroy our children. At the end of the day, they'll come be dysfunctional adults. Because what person they go through for child will feel affect person for the whole life. And now, why we say this these cases they come up. You know, even with the sure say some of these cases they go court, the court system no they help matter, they go drag the matter, you go see say the person, the papa and mama go tire. And if you not quick get justice, you go wear out.
Okay, but I want more quick come now.
Because maybe not they go jail.
Okay, I won't find out from you now, but I'll come back to that justice system. I want to look at because we don't see rape now. Now we say man, the first woman, he enter the woman body and the rest. When we say the woman no agree, now he be rape. But this one we say they call defilement.
Okay,
now.
Good make I talk about.
Make we know what it
is. Penetration.
Okay.
Now still penetration, just the way say man enter body of woman, and so it still be for pikin. You go see big man like that, they penetrate pikin, small pikin. That means the hymen don't go, it don't scatter the whole place. They know they fit suture am together again. It don't finish. Then you go see that kind of small pikin now will be 3 months, 7 months, even 5 years. Where we say, you know, say as a small, so you don't even know what thing happen to them. maybe you don't big finish now. You know say something. You know say a lot of parents they never they tell their children wetin happen to them for their childhood.
Okay, but one thing I want to know, who we want to blame for this kind of place now? Is it the parents, or we go blame the society, or we go blame
everybody?
That you won't blame inside.
Everybody, from the parents, from the school, from the community, everybody get their own blame. We know they exempt because they say child protection is everybody's business. We know they say, okay, they say if house fail pikin, school supposed to rescue that child. Right. Then if school not fit rescue the society, neighbors
supposed to rescue the child.
Exactly. So if then the government still there. So if all these stages now, where pikin supposed to dey safe, where it can't be say even the papa they defy the pikin, even teachers they defy our children, even neighbors. Even cousins, nephews, all of them, children, right? They defy because now people wey the pikin trust. Now they defy our children.
Say they betray the trust when they say the
pikin exactly. Get. Now they talk say you know pikin now if they see you every time they trust you, then you can't take advantage of that. A lot of the most time, especially neighbors, so make people they hear or neighbors where you go they send your small pikin go buy me something. Whether na boy or girl, we don't many boys now they defy them.
They defy boys. I don't want to defy boys because boys not get where they enter.
Now. I mean that's what happens. You get one case where we just a few months ago, the boy you go they send these boys for the small boys for the area. You go they call them come in room. The now carry that news now. You go they carry them come in room. Then you go, they dash them, give them 500, buy football. They come, they send a message, they send a message. You know, say they don't even know, say, now what do they do with those small boys where they carry entire room. So, papa, mama, everybody, now they watch out to, but when they send your picking message, dash and something, say, oh, it's too good. You don't know which other thing. Maybe not the left people, they say, because how many cases we get for court now where we say more than 50 of it say, go help me buy something, come go buy Indomie, come for you know, they push the pikin enter room, defy the pikin. Neighbors. Now that one na neighbors when they happen well. At the end of the day, when one of the boy come faint, blood they come out for the anus. Okay. Now mama comes, what did they happen? I've been at this entry, I've been at this one. You know say if you happen to boy, people will say this entry, I be you go play ball, I be you sit down. Now when they carry reach hospital, now they know this one of the tears they don't do.
So even the boys if you don't go fit talk, so yes, see what happened to Ram and all that.
Threats TJ. You know so all these evil people that they threaten these children. Some go even carry their handkerchief and blood and say, if you tell anybody say you go die. They go threaten the children. At the end of, do you know how many children that boy defy? More than 9 for one area for here for being here for Sapler roadside.
Okay, the one where we say you finger parents just now. The parents still get the one we say they do
yes, nah.
They don't play their role well and that kind of thing. Which kind of role they don't play well when we say you come make them let's say they feel their own parts to look after their children.
Just say for example now, even some mothers they're too busy to even bath their children. So they don't know what thing they happen to the pikin. That's why you go see say some abuse they take long time, over some years before you discover say something that they happen to the pikin. Then you say your 9 years may go dey back for 3 years old because you don't too busy. You know if you check the pikin body. Okay, you dey work, you say pikin all of una go house. Or neighbor help me carry my children go house. How many neighbors don't scatter pikin body? Because you no get time for your children. Now their parents see the fail. And what the other mother say they fail be say you know say your husband they defy your daughter, you go keep quiet because you want hold to your marriage to the detriment of your children. You go look the other side. We don't see many. We don't even see when mother can't testify against their own daughter for court, a 9-year-old child. And I catch the man talk.
You know, I don't understand this one they talk so. The man they defy your own daughter.
He they defy the
and the wife the mother catch am there. And when they caught now they defend the husband.
Say me come give you know say na him catch am and I suppose.
So why he first come complain? What? Because now he catch am.
And not as he first see the shock then he cry out. Now the community call us. So now we push the case go court. So we can dey call and make we not know say don't hear and your husband don't get maybe your husband don't dey promise 7 or 8. He can't come. He say the pikin dey talk like that, so they talk like when they give instances where the pikin dey talk like before. Your own daughter. So that woman never fail because say you want stay for the marriage. And not only that, there is one where the 15 years, the man, the papa. Why they say parents, or they give instance of parents, what they see they do these children, apart from negligence, apart from neglect, you leave pikin for school for hours, you not go pick her. When you go get man, anybody fit still do anything to the pikin. When you not go pick your children early because when teachers don't come out for school, your pikin they roam back for compound. What you think say go happen? So if you never ready to get children, not even bother. Say, never ready to protect them because now you get the primary responsibility to first protect your children.
Okay.
But when you can still be the part of the evil way they happen to your children, Nigeria, no problem there for the parents. Oh, where they say they know they listen to their children. You come back from work, pikin say, "Mommy, I get what I want to tell you." You know what? The funny thing be say, if now the woman brother now defy this pikin now, then we'll keep quiet. If now the husband people defy your daughter, everybody family, make we not talk and come out. Do you know say some of these cases, these children, after they don't spoil their feeling with the whole family, they'll pretend say nothing happened. That is even, so when would they meet some of the young ladies now? They can't tell us their experience. They say, do you know, say, that 5 years where the one of their uncle defiled her. Everybody close, and they never mention it again. But they will use it to taunt them. When they'll say, send a message, Abi, you don't go see Duke. They go use and taunt the pikin to teenage and all that. Say the pikin, now them do the thing to the pikin, now they say the pikin don't see spoil. And by the way, if you even look at the aftermath of defilement, say child development, the pikin body almost never supposed to release where they go prematurely release. You see that child becoming sexually active. And when that child is sexually active like that, you know what they happen? Why will not they link on with human trafficking, sexual exploitation? Why be say child prostitution, they day on the increase, they day rampant? Waiting they make children they leave home because of all forms of abuse. So when pikin they know say na papa they rape every day, he go want to come off for us. And when he don't come off for us, he say they carry him go up, even though say he know say na prostitution. He won't do for the one way in there for his house.
It was part of
exactly. That's why we dey link even with human trafficking, because the vulnerability of a girl child is very high.
So by implication now, we just look at the madman said that the fire went set for here. Now the one they bought for that side, they don't know. How many say the fire when they set for here, and don't they spread? They go different areas and the rest. So, but when we still come back to this matter when we say it concern this defilement and the society and all that. But look the area when we say concern judiciary inside. Because with the CC yesterday, they carry case, they go courts and the rest. But the thing they could come out. And they say, somebody talk and when go school, say justice delayed is justice denied. And if you know people, they won't be yesterday, they call the jail or they give some kind of punishment. People will feel they go, maybe they go, they do more.
Exactly. You see, in a year, maybe you feel push some cases, maybe even 100 cases or even 150 cases in 1 year, we get documentation. Maybe at the end, maybe now only 30 or 40, 30 judgment you go get. The rest, we still get cases for 2-3 years. But even as we still they do this one, we still they push say for the judiciary, make them enforce full family court. Child-friendly family court.
But yes, that family court.
That family court, you know how to take the works I do. If now, not be full one, maybe the magistrate want to attend to that matter related to children.
The family, right?
Okay, go only carry the dog come out.
Okay.
That one not be who they talk. Child supposed to come in child-friendly room where be say that child go fit talk. You go see toys, you go see even this television, everything go there. Where be like say, be like home setting, you know. And
you get confidence to talk.
Exactly, and you go get your assessors there. That means social workers go there with the magistrate, they there with the judge. You know, even the judge now they wear those their gun anymore. Because when you want to do all those kind of, even for the high court, we get one for the magistrate court, one still there the high court. But at the end of the day, the magistrate court now Wednesday and Fridays only they sit. And all this always, you know, say all these cases scattered across 18 local governments. Now let the already way some way go. Even not be all the cases they even see the carry go there now. Even the High Court one, the same thing. So at the end of the day, we see the way say make the government build the family court, more courts where we say they'll fee allocate these ones to the 3 senatorial districts. Because these cases we they talk, not the only center now. Now the 18 local governments, we get structures around these 18 local, so we they receive cases, and our members for all those local governments, they push cases to court. But you know, the wearing out of, you know, lingering in courts, you know, no accelerated hearings, and another painful thing now when we, after pushing implementation of this child rights law, we can't even find out say even the law where our House of Assembly they go past, they not even use them for court now as me and you they talk. Even the family court where they talk now, they are still using the criminal code. Because some part of the, they omit some part where sentences are not that they did for all these rape and defilement cases. Can you, they omit them. So that law have to get back to the House of Assembly now. May they amend all this. May they fine-tune them again, so that we go, they don't feel they, not until they feel they use them for court. Then that law now still be like say still they chef upon all the struggle.
Okay. Maybe we come back to, before I will let you come out and cut and not be our friend. I'm not going to be one of these concern sensitization. Because I don't say you do some things to make sure that they can't go court. It already happened now. Before
prevention. So the area of prevention now, thank God say this our governor now. The thing don't they, you know, you talk and just and say when you they read newspaper. Now even for schools, the new suburb acting chairman now, they see a lot of cases. So she carried some of these cases go, especially that one where two papa and father now. Now from school. Now the pikin can't get to report. Exactly. Now he report to school say, okay, see, now governor don't hear that matter. I think as I dey talk now, governor don't set up committee now or sexual abuse response team. So we dey believe say that team now go focus on preventive measures, so that we go feel save our children because it's irreparable. We believe in prevention. Because if we are able to prevent it, and now the part one I see they play with this, because when people they hear us they talk like this platform that ITV continually giving, it informs the people to know what to do. Because now if you see stranger come to your house, even your own brother, you go watch where. Because sit down for your leg, you spread the leg for your lap. For as a man, you know what to do. Papa and mama not go they naked for the whole house. You know, all this information now where would they pass? People they listen now. And I say information. But what with the aggressive one? Now the child right law is being simplified now where we say even pictorial, pikin where they talk that now feel look like A for apple, all those kinds of things. So we can simplify where we say this new first lady so he can print more than 10,000. So but you know say we get Ministry of Women Affairs and Social Development that is responsible for all these things to coordinate. Now we say every time NGOs they front. Now then they complement their effort. But they need to step up their game. Because if all these 10,000s of child rights law don't do so, it never circulate the schools. Children don't know their right, they don't know when teachers they abuse them or not they abuse them, whether I love them they show or not they show. Because not until our children know their rights, they not go feel determine all kinds of, because our child development, there are lots of things where their body never feel know. At the end of the day, if they don't know, they not feel wrong, go talk, even at the end, like one pikin, the papa they defile and you don't know, until one day where church pastors, even religious leaders, they have to step up. Now all of us, because if that pastor not talk for people,
can't talk and because pikin can't know, say
yes, I want my papa they do now evil. Now they do for me. Say you know go make papa they sleep with pikin. Now that day now pikin go meet pastor say see oh this thing where you talk so. So you can't say now everybody affair. Apart from government, religious leader, even community, everybody, if you see something, please say something. Okay. And teachers, I believe say this new super woman now, they say in go train teachers to determine early warning signs. Because when they be there pregnant before, if they go through that, you go door. You know, if they meet up again, you go there sad. So teachers are supposed to come, apart from just dishing out the academics now, They supposed to they watch this, they determine early warnings, actually, so that they will know that this child is coming from an abused home, so that action will fit take. Now be all this one now with
okay, you know what today we could follow the matter now. We're not going to finish it today at all because time will be our friend and all that. Because you know we're doing that we don't do over 30 minutes.
Are you serious?
Yes, that will tell the talk this matter they go. And the thing that we never blast it,
we'll never even touch them. It's okay.
We know say yes, next time we will come again, make we talk about this matter. We need to bring the matter on that. But just in case somebody get issue now, you're supposed to feel rich people like Konama. How
course,
take rich now?
Well, that's why we they give our number every time, and people they call us well.
Okay.
People they even all this number we they give out for here now. People go right now. Even after
you never give the number now.
Okay, 080 516 56202. Make I talk am again. 080 516 56202. The last time 080 516 56202. I bet make una write this number down. If it never happen now, or una see any sign at all, make before it go even happen, make una call us. Una see pikin wey no go school, wey dey house, wey they no dey treat well, make una dey report all this matter, because una dey see everywhere. If una no report, we no go know say something dey there.
All right,
my people na do.
Jennifer, thank you so much. We go call you again because this matter no go fit end now.
Thank you.
So you don't tell us so many things there when we say concern child abuse, but the most important thing when we say today, open your eye, well, shine your eye. Make you know what they happen around you. If you say your pikin come out now, maybe say go buy some take off from me across the road. They give them gifts anyhow. Ask questions. Which can give them something? Say, don't look at it. The man too good though. They dash your pikin something. Ask questions. And when somebody come to the house, watch the way they play with your children. Especially the girl child. Watch out. Even male child now. Yesterday they divide them too. May you take care. So we will take this small break now. Here we will end this one, and we'll come back continue for where we say we stop. So many matters there where we say we will talk. The most important thing, those numbers, use them. Very important. Not go anywhere.